So I got into carpentry at a young age. My father was a general contractor, still is a general contractor, and I enjoyed going to work with him. Summer vacation, I really got into it young. I went into the Navy in 2009, and the reason that I wanted to enlist was that my grandfather had been a CB, my dad was a CB, and a CB stands for Construction Battalion, and you can do a variety of things that are really trade related. I chose to be a builder like they were, and I served from 2009 to 2014, and I got the chance to deploy to a lot of countries. It was a really cool time in my life. Being in the Navy, it really shaped the person I am today. Back in 2017, TOH started Generation Next. Generation Next was this opportunity for apprentices to come work alongside some of the cast on the show. It shined a light on the lack of kids entering the trades and the lack of funding for trade opportunities. And I saw it online. I sent all my stuff in, and luckily I got picked. We worked in Newton for 8 weeks alongside all the cast. That's good.
All right, so take that 2x4, put the level on top.
We dove right into it. We demoed the skirting that all around the front deck. And it was cool just to be on the job site, see the behind the scenes where all of a sudden there's cameras watching you work. I'd never had that happen before.
I've got 14 3/4.
All right, that's what I got too. So it's looking pretty good. We're running perpendicular. So what we'll do is we'll keep checking that every 3 or 4 feet. We'll keep it running square, run it all the way to the end, and then we'll come back and put our bed molding up and it'll look pretty nice.
Already looks pretty nice.
And then after that finished up, I got a call from the producers, and they said, hey, you know, we enjoyed what you did on this old house, and we'd love to give you a shot to answer some house calls for Ask This Old House. And I said yes.
Congratulations, he's a graduate now from our first class, if you will, of apprentices.
It was a class, but he was a student that knew a lot more.
So my first house call that I took, Tommy brought me out, and we had a homeowner that wanted to reverse the swing of their front door.
Thanks for getting back to my email.
My pleasure. Say hi to Nathan.
Recognize you from the other episodes.
It was kind of funny, you know, it's almost like he dropped me off with a truck and trailer and took off.
I gotta say, this is a pretty easy project, and I think you can handle it yourself.
Yeah, it looks like a pretty easy fix.
All right, well, if you got any questions or problems, give me a call. Casey, you're in good hands.
But I had my truck with all my tools with me, and I had the right materials for that day, and the swap went really smoothly.
Perfect. No more dancing around the door. It's great. Thank you very much. Really appreciate your time.
You're welcome.
All in all, I think you did a good job.
Luckily, they called me back about a week after that and said, we've got another one for you in Portland. And I just kept thinking, Portland, Maine, Portland, Maine. I'm like, that's not far. I could probably do that. And they said, it's in Portland, Oregon. And I said, all right, well, I like to travel, so let's do it.
Hi, Nathan. Welcome to Portland.
Thanks for having me. What I love about being part of the Ask This Old House crew is sharing a lot of the knowledge that I've picked up over the years of being a carpenter and helping people feel empowered to accomplish that task themselves. Bring that out and cut it. So if I can give them an opportunity to use the miter saw or use a nail gun.
Oh. That was fun.
Now we just gotta wrap it.
Awesome.
You get gratification from watching them have fun using it. So I think to be a good carpenter, you really need to be able to adapt and overcome. You need to know that when you come across these problems, that there's always going to be a solution. Something that I really enjoy is just starting projects. I enjoy thinking about the steps. I like assembling the materials. I like having the right tools. Assembling the parts and pieces and completing it is my favorite thing to do.
Oh, this is awesome. What a huge improvement over what we had at the beginning of the day.
It's going to be a lot safer for the kids. Every now and then, Claire gets to come visit me at work, and those are the best days because she's just a happy little baby, and she just kind of looks around and smiles. I would wholeheartedly pass on my love for carpentry to my daughter if that's the route she wanted to take, but whatever she wants to do, I'm sure we'll be 100% behind her. I don't think that signing up to do the apprenticeship that I thought I would be where I am today. I thought that it would be something fun to talk about. Just say I got the opportunity to work for this old house and meet all those guys, and luckily that happened and I'm here today.
Nice. Nice and secure, good angle. She's hanging properly and proud.
Good.
Thank you, Nathan.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.